Here's a common problem these days: dingy white walls. Unfortunately, this is not dirt. It's actually grease leaching through from the tire mold through the white wall and discoloring it. And this is pretty typical now. With white walls not being produced in massive quantities, unfortunately they tend to discolor, particularly if they're in the direct sunlight and get warm. So if your tires look like this and you want them to look like that, my best advice is spray your white wall with this grease remover. I use super clean foaming, and then get a power drill and this sanding disc attachment with a pad. This one's from a company called Duragold. They come with different discs with different grit, and then you just go along the side of the white wall and clean it up. So I'll show you what it looks like on this wheel after I'm done. And there you have it. So it's most certainly abrasive, but it works, and it's the only thing I've found to get these white walls clean. So hope that helps some of you classic car lovers. Thanks for watching.